Ay, hello po. We will take a picture. He's the vlogger. I have... Ha?
Hello, ma'am.
Really? Opo. He's vlogger. Hi! Pwede kayo mag-picture mamaya po.
Opo, pwede.
Oh my God, really? Oo, vlogger siya. He's vlogger.
Red Planet po, no?
Yes po.
You will post that?
Are you vlogging, kuya?
Pwede yun, ma'am. Okay lang ba sa inyo, ma'am?
Hello, guys.
Where is the camera?
Ayun, ma'am.
Ay, this one. God, I'm so bobo.
Kasi ba nung seatbelt?
Ayoko.
Nasaan kayo, ma'am?
Pa?
Nasaan po kayo?
Malala, ito po, taga-Indonesia.
Ah, Indonesian.
Yeah, hello. Yeah.
You look like a Filipino.
Yeah. Same face.
Indonesian ka rin, ma'am.
No, I'm not. Joke lang.
Kasi may English po.
Uy, ano ba? Di kayo gaganyan, ah.
Mukhang Korea ka na ka, ma'am.
Sabi ko sa'yo mga Korea.
Anyong siya.
Yes, sorry. You know, sorry.
Yeah, but what's syndrome, ma'am?
Yeah. I always...
But no worry, you're safe.
Yeah, we're always safe.
Hindi ka niya, ma'am. You can sing, ma'am. You can sing.
Oh, no, yeah, she can.
I have
Ate Fernie can.
a karaoke in my car.
Really?
Really? Oh
Yeah,
my God. Fernie, you should sing.
Wala, nakakahiya.
Okay lang, ma'am.
Kuya, yung English Carabao namin, huwag mo isasama.
Gawin din naman ako, ma'am. Scrabble din naman ako eh.
He has so much followers.
Yeah, she's a vlogger. He's a vlogger.
Hooray, I'm famous.
I'm famous.
It's okay to you to tawag doon, you post in my vlog.
Laban, Pilipinas.
My English is English Carabao. I hope you understand.
Ilaban ang bandera ng Pilipinas,
Oo po,
kuya.
tama. Oh, mic check 1, 2.
Magalan mo.
Hello, mic check.
Magalan mo, kuya. Kami tulog.
So, ayun, kasakay po natin ng mga dancing queen.
Hindi po dyan dancing queen.
Yun!
Wala yung mic natin.
Katabi, di makapaniwala. Parang may hiwagang nadama nang tumama sa'yo ang aking mga mula. Pinapinter. Itong pinitip. Ayaw mo na kumaraan sa lumin ko. Ayoko na kumara, ayoko na kumara, ayoko na kung ikaw ang kasama, manong driver.
Yun!
Hey! Ibalik ang susuri ko, manong driver.
Hey!
Di mo ba alam walang kabando? Awak mo kami mabababuya.
Oo ba?
Dahil ko ng drive, huwag niyo ihinto. Kahit saan mapatag, kahit lumipad na tayo. Bigla mong hingi lang yung galit. Sabi mo, manbababa ako sa galit.
Ayaw mo na pumal.
Bangis nun ah, bangis nun. Nasolo mo ron ah, nasolo mo ron, no? Hey! Hey, everybody sing! Hey, everybody dance!
Hey, dancing queen! Ay, na ikaw!
Hey!
Having the time of your life. Ooh, see the garden.
Hey!
And when you get the chance, you are the dancing queen. You're the
Matindi yan, matindi!
having the time of your life. Be that girl. Well, just see this is the dancing queen.
Angas na, angas!
Magaling. Sayang malapit na.
Parang nag-ikot ang lahat ng chat. Dali naman siya nikot.
I want you.
May ubo kasi ako, be. Kaya ganon. Anyone can do, you're in a good garden.
Ayan na, Pi.
And when you get the chance, you are the dancing queen. Young and sweet, love is 17.
Hey! Hey!
Dancing queen,
Oh!
feel the beat from the dancing queen. You can dance.
You can dance.
You can dance.
You can dance, yeah.
In the time of your life. Oh, see that girl.
Oh!
Dancing queen.
Everybody dance!
See that girl.
Hindi.
See that girl. What should the
Mabuhay tayo mga Pilipina! Mabuhay mga Pilipina!
Mabuhay.
Pilipino to. Okay na.
Napakagaling mo.
Mahina.
How about you, Ma? You have
You have a song.
Indonesian song?
Indonesian song. I can't say. No, you play Banyo Queen. Banyo Queen.
I play an Indonesian song.
Huh?
You can try the
Indonesian
song.
I cannot sing.
You try your favorite song in Indonesia, in your country.
We will. What kind of song?
It's yours. Okay. Yeah, wait. Karaoke Indonesian song.
My God, actually I'm better
Yeah.
in English than you.
Hati Yang Luka. You know Hati Yang Luka? How about Hanya Rindu? Amen.
No.
No?
Just you sing now. We're all
What?
now.
Yeah, Lagi Santik.
Lagi cantik. It's not the song. No, I don't want to sing.
What?
Just let them sing.
You try.
Try?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Lagi Santik.
No.
What?
English song.
What song?
Love in the Dark by Adele.
What?
Love in the Dark. Love in the Dark, Adele.
Love in the Dark.
Yeah,
Right?
Love
Love in the Dark by Adele. So ito na nga po, tuloy-tuloy na po tayo. Love in the Dark by Adele. And please welcome, ladies and gentlemen, Miss Vanessa from Indonesia.
That's our friend. No, I'm not singer. My God, I'm too shy.
No.
We're just 1, 2, 3, 4. Your voice is good.
Where you are, don't come any closer. Don't try to change my mind. I'm being cruel to be kind. I can love you in the dark.
Yun!
It feels like we're oceans apart. There's so much space between us. Baby, we're already defeated.
That's our Vanessa. Talo ang Pilipinas.
You have given me something that I can live with
mustn't underestimate that when you weren't down. But I don't want to carry on like everything is fine. The longer we ignore it all, the more that we'll find. Please don't fall apart. I can face your breaking heart. I'm trying to be brave. Stop asking me to say I can love you in the dark. It feels like we're oceans apart. There's so much space between us. Maybe we're already defeated. Yeah, 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 yeah. Everything changed me. We're not the only ones. I don't regret a thing. Every word I say, you know I'll always mean. Is it the word to me that you are in my life? But I want to live and that's why I can love you in the dark. It feels like we're oceans apart. There's so much space.
Boy, ako na lang yung background dance.
We're already defeated. Say everything changed me.
Who's that? Is that him?
You can save me.
That's so nice. Thank you.
Thank you so much, thank you so much. Ang galing, galing. Pero ano, she's the best. She's the best.
Of course. Wait lang, pabasa.
Thank you so much. Meron ba gusto shout out sa atin? Please shout out to everybody. You have a message to the people? To the Filipino people?
Say hello to Indonesia.
Say hi.
Hello, people.
Yeah.
It is so nice here in Filipino. Right?
Ito, pasensya na kasi ito na yung inyo. Arrive na kayo, Herit Planet.
Ay, akala ko walang babaan,
Hindi
kuya.
tayo makaka.
Can we take a picture first?
Sige, sige, no problem.
Yeah, lang ako dito niya kasi tama na kayo sa
Picture muna tayo.
English.
Can I borrow your...
Malapit ako sa mga Indisera.
Tama na. Ako
Hindi rin kami. Labag din sa loob na magtulog sa loob.
Tapos dito pa nga pag 12 hours wala pa tulog.
Yan na
Okay.
kasi yung work namin, kuya.
Ako na lang. Ayan. Go on.
It's okay.
Alright na. 1, 2, 3.
Sa pa, kuya.
Ayan.
Eh.
Yun! Maraming salamat. Ay, okay na ba ito kayo, ma'am?
Hindi, sige
Hindi,
po.
kumanta na kayo, binayaran niyo pa. Wala ba yung libre yun? Libre yung kanta niyo.
Hindi namin binabayaran.
Thank you, pamarienda. Salamat.
Thank you so much, kuya.
Thank you.
Salamat. Sana masakay uli-uli kayo.
Yeah,
no?
sana.
Thank you, maraming salamat. Saan kayo, ma'am?
Kuya.
Thank you, ma'am.
Malayo po.
Malayo kayo,
Cavite,
taga?
Cavite.
Oy, Cavite, mag-ingay!
Mga kaibigan ko dyan!
Yun, Etibak, mag-ingay. Shoutout sa'yo, mga Etibak. Yan.
Bye-bye!
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you.
Papanoorin namin yung kuya sa
Sige, sige, ma'am.
office. Thank you so much!
Hello, salamat. Ingat kayo. Yun. Medyo natulig ang ating tenga ron ha. Medyo May no? Salamat. Ayun, sobrang saya nila. Pati aking sumbok na dala pa, no? Ay, grabe, nakakatuwa sila. Sumaktan tenga ko doon, sila sa harapan. Shoutout sa iyo, ma'am, nasa harapan. Ang galing mo kumanta.